Wachno mabende wamiyo peka odhiambo makawuono eni mane en jatend migawo mar somo ngire George Magoha ibiro ik chieng' ngeso tarik 11 dwe manyien. Jatend piny Rigathi Gachagua kuom mano olando kony ma piny owacho biro chiwo e konyo kowo Magoha kaka achiel kuom duoko erokamano ne tich makare ma Magoha notime pacho ka. Gachagua owacho ni kopogore gi kawo ting' mar kowo ringre Magoha dala, piny owacho bende biro kawo ting' mar pidho jogo duto mabiro chopo gem e ywago Magoha kendo keto arita kwe makare e chenro duto mag kowe. Simfros Okinda leronwa chenro mar kowo ngire Magoha kaka opange kod piny owacho.
Dala mosenindo ngire George Magoha mantiere Lavington, Nairobi pod medo rwako welo mwachopo mar ywago jatend migawo machonno. Jalup jatend piny Rigathi Gachagua ne ochopo mar chiwo ote mar mos e lo piny owacho kendo kuyo gi chi liel Laktar Barbara Magoha kopako tich makare manotim kod Magoha e kelo lokruok e pacho ka.
We are here as a government delegation sent by President William Ruto on behalf of government to come and condole with the family of the late professor and say that the government recognizes his distinguished service to the people of Kenya in the various capacities as Vice Chancellor, as Chairman of the National Examination Council, as Minister for Education, and the government would want to assist the family to give him a dignified send-off.
Ngire Magoha ibiro iki chieng' tarik 11 dwe mar ariyo higani e dala ne manitiere Game County ma Siaya.
On 11th, you will be burying your brother, Professor George Magoha, and we're here to assure the family that you will not be alone. We'll stand with you.
Ringre mar mosenindo ibiro kow gi ndege mar jolweny chieng' tich abich mar tarik 10.
The Kenya Defence Forces will provide a military helicopter to take the body home together with members of the family on the Friday preceding the Saturday burial. Again, the family requested that we do help in providing the tentage and chairs and all that goes with it to cater for thousands of mourners on that particular day, and that request has been acceded and the CS Interior has been properly guided.
Rigathi bende nokawo thuolono mar lando moko kuom ting' ma piny owacho biro kawo e chenro mar miyo Magoha ik mondisore kode.
In providing the tentage and chairs and all that goes with it to cater for thousands of mourners on that particular day, and that request has been acceded and the CS Interior has been properly guided. Again, the family requested that we give some financial support, which we have committed to support the family effort in terms of funeral preparations and feeding the thousands of mourners who are expected. Over and above, our Department of Special Program will also provide food for the family and the mourners. And in addition, we have also instructed that we provide food, relief food, to all the residents of Gem, so that as we proceed to prepare for the burial, all the homes surrounding the funeral home, the home that is bereaved, they are also comfortable because there is food.
Wadgi Magoha matin ngire Alex Nyabera Magoha no ika wuone dalagi Game County ma Siaya, nyasi ma jotelo mopogore opogore no yuore mar kuyo gi anyuola.
It's a big loss and casts a huge cloud of pain and sadness over our nation. However, in our very lowest moment, let us reflect on what God says in His Word.
Of us who knew about Richard's condition, we had a terrific time, but nothing serious, because we are created by God, and the same God who created us takes us away at His own.
Ngire George Magoha notho tarik 24 mar dwe mar achiel higani. Simfros Okinda, Ramogi TV.